Good morning, everybody. This morning I'd like to do the FTSE market review. We'll be looking at the FTSE100 index, FTSE 350 sectors, and the FTSE all-share. There's the usual disclaimer. And here's the agenda for this morning. Okay, we're going to look at the FTSE 350 sector rotation, particularly to see what's hot and what's not from a Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. Okay, jumping straight into the Pro real-time platform. Looking at the all-share situation here is very much after a nice strong rally, a breakout past the cloud chart resistance. We're now fighting old highs, as key resistance zones. The top end of the cloud here so far has been acting as a key support zone. So any weakness could come in to test support at the top end of the cloud here. And that could be a possible area for a rebound, but so far so good. We had a MACD sell signal here, so just be aware that we could see some weakness coming in here, and the FTSE invariably testing these lows here at 7194, these the cloud chart levels at 7194. So watch out for those levels going forward. FTSE 350, very similar situation, also in a consolidation mode here, drifting lower. Expected to test the top end of the cloud here for support. Watch out for the MACD sell signal there. So we could see some weakness coming into going into the March month. FTSE all-share, also a very similar situation. We've now had this MACD sell signal, so there's consolidation risk back down to the top end of the cloud. Okay. Now, jumping into the individual FTSE 350 sectors, we've got autos and parts, auto parts. Automakers and auto parts. Yeah, we've got a situation where we're also consolidating these lows here, corresponding very well with the top end of the cloud as a key support zone. So watching out for a rebound at the top end of the cloud here. And if the rebound fails, we could see the bottom end of the cloud here being tested at 579. Note, we've had a MACD sell signal, so this consolidation is underway. So I'm looking for a buy signal in and around the top end of the cloud here. Banks, after a strong rally, finally profit taking is underway. Lost support at the top end of the cloud, absolutely critical for support to come back in at these levels. If not, we'll be looking at the bottom end of the cloud here as the next support zone. Note the MACD sell signal of the sector, and we're starting to significantly underperform the overall market. So looking for support to come in at the 145 level at the bottom end of the cloud. We'll see at that point in time if we can see a rebound at the bottom end of the cloud. Front end of the cloud still looking okay. We've not had the early warning signal yet that things might be going very, very bad. But watch out for support at the bottom end of the cloud. Yeah. Basic resources, also in a similar consolidation mode. First level to test is the top end of the cloud here at 758. Watch out for that. And then if that fails, we're looking at 734 for a possible rebound. So watch that level. Going into the March quarter. Note we've had a MACD sell signal for quite some time now, so this consolidation needs to pan out before I would be looking at buying a rebound at the cloud support level. Chemicals, looking for a nice rebound here. It's trying to find support here at the top end of the cloud. Note that that strong candle gives us indication that there's quite a lot of support in around this level. Watch the front end of the cloud, gives us some ideas to how strong this support level is, quite a significant level. And looking for a MACD buy signal within this rebound environment. Rebound back up to the top end of the cloud. The first level of resistance is 1979, and then it would go back up to these levels of 2012 to test for resistance. But looking for this rebound, so far so good. Construction materials, flatlining in around a pivot. A cloud pivot. This is a straight line here. I would say 890, 8890 or 890 is a key support zone. It's trying to find that support level again. Could see a rebound if support comes in, but we can see here there's lots of buyers sitting just below the cloud here. That's the a key bidding area. So could see a rebound back up to the top end of old resistance highs here. Financial services. Looking strong, ripe for consolidation back to the top end of the cloud, so watch out for these levels of 609 for possible consolidation. We've had a sell signal MACD there, so it could drift back down to the top end of the cloud here for support. Food and beverages, similar situation. Watch out for the MACD sell signal here. Consolidation risk back down to the top end of the cloud here at 1002. Corresponds well with that cloud level there. Healthcare, trying to break past the critical level. Watch this level, 564. We need to see a breakout past that level. If that does not come this week, we'll see a consolidation back down to the first level of 552, and then the bottom end of the cloud here at 541. But watch these levels very closely. Industrial goods and services, very strong. Had a MACD sell signal here. Consolidation risk back down to the top end of the cloud. So watch those levels for a possible rebound at that area. Insurance, also looking at a possible sell signal here. Consolidation risk back down to the top end of the cloud. And watch out for these rebounds at the top end of the cloud here. Media, also had a sell signal here from a MACD perspective. Consolidation risk back down to the top end of the cloud. And then the next level here at 618 should be the next significant support zone. But first, I would look for a possible rebound at the top end of the cloud here. But note we've had a MACD sell signal for a couple of days now. So be aware that there is significant downside risk. Oil and gas is now below the cloud, so it's a bit we spot of trouble. Next level of support here should come in at 401. So watch out for that a rebound at that level. But so far, front end of the cloud indicator downtrend in place. So this short position remains in place. Personal household products, very, very strong rally. Let's load a bit more old highs here. That's significant resistance area. Watch out for a possible consolidation back down to the top end of the cloud here. So there's a downside, good downside risk, consolidation risk in this sector. But so far, strong uptrend based on the cloud, and we're looking at now for a breakout or a reversal at this cloud chart, resistance zone, old highs. Real estate, similar situation where it's fighting old cloud chart highs here. Need a breakout past that level, otherwise we're going to see a consolidation back down to the top end of the cloud and a rebound back into this resistance zone. Okay, but overall the trend looking favorably positive from a MACD, from a cloud chart perspective. Okay. Retail, in a bit of trouble, price action below the cloud, so the downtrend remains in place. We can see we've got it's testing old lows here, so short-term rebound could be from here back to the bottom in the cloud, but do note you are trading counter trend. The overall trend is down from a cloud chart perspective with downside potential, downside risk down to 296 if support fails at these areas. But from a short-term trader's perspective, short-term rally possible from here up to there because these are significant support levels. But just be aware that it's a very, the long-term picture is negative. Technology, range bound here in a tight trading range. Cloud is significant support zone, could see a rebound here, back up to test the old highs, old cloud chart resistance levels there. So watch out for that possible rebound potential if we see nice support coming in here at the top end of the cloud. Telecoms, after a significant drop through cloud, it's made the retracement, had a MACD buy signal below the cloud, and we're now looking at resistance. Could see resistance come in here. If resistance holds, we should see further downside. But watch out for a MACD sell signal in and around this cloud chart resistance test. Okay. Travel and leisure, also in a base consolidation mode. Top end of the cloud is a key support zone. So looking, the candles they indicate that we're struggling to get past these resistance zones. So consolidation risk back down to the top end of the cloud is quite possible. Utilities, struggling with resistance levels here at 724. Downside risk is down to 705. Significant support zone. Watch out for a MACD sell signal that will take some profit off the table. So back to the all share, consolidation risk is in play. We've had a MACD sell, so the sell, we should see this market drift back down to the top end of the cloud here, and then we'll revisit the thesis when we get to that point. But look for support at the top end of the cloud here, 3,900. Okay. Until next time, happy trading.